So in daily, GBP is bearish. Good. We have a good breakout structure. The trend is bearish. Fall, pullback, fall, false breakout, which looked good, and now it's going down. So it also retested the order block. So technically, and as per chart, it is bearish. 4 hour looking great. Gave a breakout, retest of the zone. The candle is very strong, so good. And I might increase my position size to $35 because it looks like we should. Simple as that. And as per trend, if you see, then we can target this much. Is there any swings? The bigger trend, no, we don't need to go with that. This is the target. We have swings over here. It might sweep this lows, but that's let's see. In hourly, it is bearish. Now it is bearish. Breakout structure very strong and great that we have a pullback. So we have a good place of entry. 30 minutes. We have FVG over here, which we can trade. Okay. Is it making no IFVG? The candle is strength for upside is there, but I don't think it will last. If it goes up, then we won't trade. Simple as that. 15-minute FVG was here. It got retested, but it might sweep this high, and it might make a hammer in this 15-minute. Let's see. 5-minute FVG over here. That doesn't matter. I don't think it is not that important. It has made IFVG, but a 3-minute breakout structure is more than enough. GBP we are bearish. 3-minute breakout structure, and we can enter. Over here already a red candle, green candle breakdown if before the session, then retest and 1-minute breakout structure, and we can enter. Okay, that's GBP and Euro. Okay, different than GBP. Euro is a lot of wicks in daily. Wicks, doji, almost doji, wicks. Today also it might close around its middle, so in daily it doesn't look great. It has made a W pattern, retested the order block, so technically it is bullish. I might not prefer to trade. Okay, so it is not looking great in 4 hour also. Breakdown since then this has been in this zone. So nothing much. And today also it has been in this zone. We don't have much. 1 hour. Yeah, this is good, but we will okay, so that's the problem. This candle is strong. Is there any news? There is none so far. So 4 hour, what 1 hour, what we can say is it is sideways. So this was a strong momentum, breakdown, pullback, breakdown, sideways. Technically for the daily trend, it gave a false breakdown, then went higher here in London session, looking like it is bullish, but then it gave a breakdown, and this is a very great pullback because very weak candles pullback, retesting the FVG, and then a boom, a good breakdown. The current candle might sweep these highs, but it is bearish technically. I will still prefer to not go with less than half or half quantity. We will go with $15. Bearish. 30-minute order block is been retested. Okay, but here we need a 5-minute breakout structure. So same as GBP, but we will go half quantity for $15. And the plan is 5-minute breakout structure and 1-minute breakout structure, half quantity. Okay, it is bullish. It has a very big wick. That's what something I don't like because you can see yesterday also it had a big wick, so it closed around its opening price. A momentum like this one big candle has a small wick. That's what happens. This is a very strong momentum, but you see the wick is very small. Over here also the big wick was very big, so it closed around its opening price. Same is it's looking like today it might close uh, around yeah, today's high. That's the best we can hope. Not looking great. It is bullish. We have FEG over here. 4 hour. Okay, technically you can see breakout, pullback, breakout. Same zone as yesterday. Hmm. So as per technical charts, it's bearish because pullback. The pullback wasn't as strong, but these lows are same. But the low, it is getting lower lows, lower highs, and the lower lows are almost at the same level. So technically speaking, of over this time frame, it is bearish, but overall trend is bullish. So whatever we do, we will go half quantity, not more than that. Okay, hourly. This was a very swollen flag breakout, flag and breakout. Then since then, pullback, breakdown, sideways, nothing much. False breakout, then it fell. Okay, this is a strong breakout, gave a breakout structure, so it is bullish in hourly. I would like to go one third quantity, or might even not trade this one. Not looking great. Yeah, let's skip GBP for today. Not looking great. Okay, half an hour. The momentum. See, you can see the sellers are strong, but the buyers also fight back the same. So we don't know. If we check today's trend, so it is confusing. Let's leave JPY and gold. See, yesterday in daily, it is bullish. 4 hour bullish as we marked yesterday or wherever. It gave a this gave a breakout, pullback, strong. This swing is very strong. It will be protected. If not, then we can expect a breakdown. 1 hour. The problem is I don't see a place to entry. This is a straight move and Asia highs over here. This is the most recent. So this will be taken out. That's a very easy bet. But when and where is the problem? We have to have a good. So as per Fibonacci, you can say that we can expect a good target for the upside. There's still a big room for target. It can continue for the higher side. So we are bullish. 15 minutes. We just need a good place for entry. Great. At least some we have something. The strength is not great because this was a great breakout. Pullback was nice. It filled the FEG, but these three candles are weak. But still, it is very bullish, and we can trade this one. We got a level, so we have few things over here which we can trade. One is this order block, but that order block already got retested, so it's not valid. Once it gives a breakout from here, that's when we can also trade. I would take a 3 minute bet. We are bullish in gold. Yeah, this I would prefer to trade this order block unless it gives a breakout for the upside. Then I will trade the 15-minute order block. Otherwise, this one is good. So 3 minute order block or 15-minute order block, which hasn't been okay. It might close. We'll mark both. Yeah, that's the plan. In 15 minutes, I will go two-third quantity because there is not much retracement. In NQ, I hope today it manipulates, then we can have a good target. 2 days in a row, directional momentum. Daily, great breakouts, but same retracement, and it is bearish. Looking very good for sells. 4 hour, great, strong breakdown, then sideways, then again a strong breakdown. Current candle has no wick. That is also a plus thing. Okay, great. As the chart already target must have, yeah, the target has been achieved of the zone. What else? Okay, we have a 15-minute order block which we can trade. That's a great thing. So we will keep it simple. Yeah. Technically, it has already tested this 5-minute order block, but this one is the recent one. This is the swing. If it gives, I will MQ, we will sell. We need a 15-minute order block. Or what we can do is, we already have a 5-minute pullback. We can, if it gives a breakdown, so this is what we can also trade. But here I will go half quantity or 5-minute breakdown. with half quantity. Most likely, okay, it will retest the order block, so we can go full quantity. Let's see. Market is open. I took an entry in gold. It is at the closing, not a great thing, but the strength is there. So let's see. I went with okay. NQ is in the order block. We just need a 1 minute breakout structure, and we can go with full quantity. And in GBP, we can get a good entry if it gives a 3 minute breakout structure. Let's see. We got stopped out in NQ as well as gold. Big SL because we went with $35. Balance is 920 so far. I might take a re-entry in NQ if it gives a breakdown. I think it will go upside, but let's leave it. I will wait for 3 minute breakout structure in GBP. Otherwise, fine. Okay, I took a re-entry in gold and we got stopped out. Three SLs very fast. We lost 2% in few minutes. And our balance is 885. Not a great thing. Fine. See you tomorrow. Bad day. Very bad day. We lost how much? 2% in matter of 3 minutes.